Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to talk about some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from TCS. TCS is conducting an off-campus drive for the students who are graduated in year 2020 and 2021, and with this the candidate should be graduated in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc, and candidates from any specialization, means any stream, can apply for this particular off-campus hiring. And candidates should have 60% or 6 CGPA in class 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation, and if he has post graduation also he should have 60% or above. And with this, candidate should not have any pending backlogs, and his education gap should not exceed 24 months until its highest qualification. With this, the candidate should be from full-time courses only, and candidate with a prior work experience up to 2 years can also apply for off-campus hiring from TCS. And candidates should be between 18 to 28 years of age to apply for this particular off-campus hiring. Now there are some important dates which are given here. So as you can see, the registration end date is 15 November. So make sure you apply before this date. And test schedule, so it will be announced soon, and interview date will be announced once you get the result. And with this, if you can see the test pattern, so the test pattern is similar to the other hiring from TCS. So you will have verbal ability section and you have to solve all the questions in 30 minutes. Then you have reasoning ability, numerical ability, programming logic, coding section, and in total you will have 180 minutes to solve all these questions from these sections. And with this, there are some important points given here which you can read, and if you face any difficulty you can reach out to the TCS hiring team. So this is their email ID and this is a toll-free number. And to apply for this particular hiring, you just need to click on this apply now button, and then you will be able to see the TCS hiring page. And I will be giving the link of this page in the description of this video, so make sure you check the description. Did you know that a lot of companies now offer job only based on your skills? So you don't need to worry if you don't have a degree from a good college or if you lack experience. Talent and skills is all that matters. If you think you have got all the relevant skills for the job in backend development, the guaranteed salary of minimum 4 lakhs per annum for non-tech roles and 6 lakh per annum for tech roles, and this can go up to 15 lakhs or more. There is no age restriction to apply. Experienced candidates can also get up to 50% hike in their salary by applying to their next job through Relevel. Today I am going to share with you 2 amazing companies that will hire you in just 15 days. So the first company is Home Village Consulting Private Limited, and this company is hiring for backend development and their headquarters is in Mumbai. So you can check this page. And the next company is Coordination Innovation Labs, and this company is offering the CTC of 29.5 LPA and their headquarters is in Bangalore. Who hasn't heard about these companies? These companies are now hiring freshers and people with no experience through Relevel by Unacademy. All you have to do is you have to register for the Relevel test, which is totally free of cost. No video resume required anymore. After this, you can give the test as per your comfort and get an amazing job opportunity based on your skills. Check out Relevel Achiever on Twitter to see how many people have started their dream career through this platform. Now let's talk about the next job opportunity. So it is also from TCS. So TCS is conducting Code Beta Season 10, and if you don't know what is Code Beta, so Code Beta is a coding challenge. So if you clear this challenge, you can get some rewards, and also you can get opportunity to interview from Ninja and Digital Profile in TCS. So if you can see what's in it for you, so you will get a global ranking and top 3 coders will win a total prize money of USD 20,000, and with this you will also get a chance to showcase your programming skills. And as you can see, there are 8 programming languages which are supported by Code Beta. So you can code in C++, C, C#, Java, Perl, PHP, Python or Ruby. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria, so students who are going to be graduated in 2020 to 2025, they all can apply for Code Beta, and you should be a graduate, undergraduate or postgraduate, and candidates from all the branches and all university and colleges are eligible. So make sure you apply for this opportunity. The link will be given in the description of this video, and if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes. Thanks for watching.